guys, the question given on the board, it's a simple question of trigonometry as well as linear equations. You will see later why. And we have a condition given here for the values of A and B, which obviously is the way I solve is obviously going to be obeyed. So let's see. We have tan A plus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A minus B is equal to root 3. So then what value that we put in tan that will get 1 by root 3. This is the trigonometric table given in all of your all of your textbooks. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So in place of in place of this thing, we can write as 30 and then remove the tan. What I'm saying is A minus B is equal to 30. This is our equation 1. The second one, tan A plus B is equal to root 3. Again, what value do we plug in tan that we get root 3? It's right, 60. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. Same thing, A plus B is equal to 60, which is our equation 2. Now we solve it just like how we solve simultaneous linear equations. Let's add both the equations. So you get 2A, B gets cancelled, then 60 plus 30, oops, we get 90. Then A, we get it as 45. Let's substitute this in equation 1 or 2. I'll do in 1. Substitute in equation 1. So we get 45 minus B is equal to 30. Let's transpose the B to that side and get 30 this side. So we'll get B is equal to 45 minus 30, which is 15. This is how we got the values of both A and B. Here A is 45 and B is 15. As you can see, it is obeying the conditions also. It's more than 0. It's less than equal to 90. Okay, and then here A is obviously more than B. This is 45 and 15. This is a common question for the board exam, and thank you.